1 in 8 American adults has tried weight loss drugs like Ozempic or Wegovy. But this isn't just about shrinking waistlines. It's shaking up our economy, from grocery stores to airlines. Let's break it down. GLP-1 drugs exploded from a $6 billion industry in 2022 to over $100 billion today. Demand is so high, the FDA just fast-tracked 3 new competitors. But here's what no one's talking about. First, food giants like Nestle are panicking. Sales of snacks and soda are dropping fast. Airlines might shrink seats again because passengers weigh less. Even gyms are rebranding as wellness studios to stay relevant. But there's a catch. 80% gain weight back if they stop. And with prices hitting $1,300 per month, insurers are calling it the new opioid crisis. Meanwhile, celebrities quietly take it while preaching body positivity.
Love it or hate it, the Ozempic economy is here. Will it crash or keep growing? Comment GLP-1 if you've noticed these changes where you live. And hit subscribe. We're tracking the next billion-dollar trend every week.